Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change language for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. You have to start by open JBL ONE application, and of course you need to add the speaker to the app. Then you will see it at the device list, tap at your speaker and scroll down. Go to Product Settings, and right here we have Product Language. Tap at this line and now select the best one for you. Let's say you wanna swap it to Deutsch, so tap at this one. And now we just change it. So if I go to the settings right here, as you can see, we use Deutsch. Also, we can use the speaker to change a language, but just let me return to the English. And now, firstly, we need to tap at the Access menu button right here at the top. And then we need to, right here at the top, you need to turn it clockwise to scroll down and go to the settings. Then press on it. And now scroll down again to the language and press on it. And right here you can also change it, let's say to Italian. So now we use this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!